When I was a child, my babysitter was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, so a bone sarcoma of his distal femur, the end of his thigh bone. And when he came back to take care of us, I was amazed at how well he walked and how well he functioned, and I just wanted to learn more about who got to do those kinds of procedures and how I could do that. My name is Dr. Brianna Siracuse. I'm an orthopedic oncologist at Cooper University Healthcare. I'm an orthopedic oncologist, which means that I'm an orthopedic surgeon, but I treat patients with cancer. Whether that's cancer of the bone and soft tissues or metastatic disease that has traveled to the bone. I operate on any part of the body from basically the neck down. The part of the bone that's affected, depending on how damaged it is by the tumor and what kind of tumor it is, it might involve taking that part of the bone out and reconstructing it with metal, or stabilizing the bone if it's just weakened by the tumor with plates and screws or rods. Though sarcoma is rare, we have a specialized team here to help get patients through it. So from the moment they meet us, I'm joining their team and their family's team of kind of what are the next steps and how can we get you back to doing the things that you want to be doing and managing all that while you're going through treatment. So I think the most exciting thing about orthopedic oncology is one that I have to be creative about reconstructive options. And there's a lot of new products on the market, particularly with things like 3D printing and custom implants. Those things that used to take months are now taking weeks and are becoming more and more accessible for patients and offer us more opportunities and options for reconstruction that may be more functional than our off-the-shelf options that we had previously. The most important thing is just getting to the next step and kind of figuring out, okay, we've got the biopsy, we've got the diagnosis, now what do we need to do? Kind of working with you, and we have a whole team to get you to the next step and keep moving forward and guiding you through this process.